Hello all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winter the True Alpha. I will be singing you all a song, and this song goes out to all those people out there in LA who have either lost their homes or are still trying to evacuate. So here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, who spread stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? Over the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave over the land of the free and the home of the brave? Thank you all very much, and I hope you all have a good day, and God bless you all.